Jeff, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to blast each other with water tracing dye? Fluorescent dye.
I think we're ready. That's about all the training that we needed right there.
That is.
That was perfect.
Let's do it. Oh. That wasn't the off button.
I'm gonna put that down until we go outside.
Where did that one go? How did it get back on? Oh. Gun safety, Jeff. Gun safety. Okay, Jeff, I had an idea for a new series of videos.
Go on.
I'm very excited.
Okay.
Okay, so what we do is we take a random item we find, some sort of toy, some sort of something.
All right.
And then we do multiple experiment/builds with it.
For example.
Okay, so what if we grab a generic Lego set, some sort of Lego set.
Okay.
And then we run it through a gauntlet of different challenges.
All right.
So maybe a couple I picked myself, maybe a couple we spin a wheel for. But the idea would be, so we have a Lego set, can we turn that Lego set into a boat?
Okay.
Will it knife? So like we melt down the Lego set into a blade and see if we can make a knife out of it. Will it ice? Maybe will it burn? Will it flame? The sky's the limit.
So in essence, we're gonna have a set group of, can this thing do these things?
Yes, exactly. So maybe a couple of them I'll pick that I think we could do. Maybe we spin a wheel and see if whatever it comes up with, we just have to figure it out. And so for today's episode, starting it off with a Nerf Gel Blaster. And then we're gonna experiment with some of those that we listed.
Okay.
And maybe some more.
Will they boat?
Maybe not this episode. But I like that idea. All right, let's get started.
All right.
It's good timing. So we're going to be modifying some Nerf Gel Blasters. So you hydrate these little gel balls with water. What would happen if we didn't use water to hydrate them?
Oh, Lord.
So here is our apparatus.
Ooh.
Little packs of Orbeez that we hydrate with the water or dye. And then we put them in our little grenade canister, and then that screws in on the top.
Oh, okay.
And then so when we pull the trigger... Okay, so we'll set that aside. What if we dye them in water tracing dye?
I don't know what that is.
It is fluorescent dye, so it glows with black lights. So these will fluoresce like crazy if it works.
Okay.
And so that way
Okay.
we can like play at night and you'll just see like laser beams just...
That would be kind of rad.
That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah.
Not only are we ready, we're hydrated.
We are hydrated and ready to go. Okay, so this is water tracing dye. It comes in probably multiple colors. The colors I have are red and fluorescent yellowish greenish.
Okay.
Actually, remember the Modern Rogue episode where we did the vomiting skeleton?
Yes.
That's exactly what this is.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. All right, I'll do this one. You can grab the next one. What if these look really cool?
Isn't that the point?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, so as soon as you get this stuff on something, now watch this thing glow.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's effective.
That's wild, right? What do you think? That's kind of a nice sound, huh?
Yeah.
Now,
Start an ASMR channel.
where we just shake Orbeez. Ooh. We need like nails. I'm going to release as a short, and you know it's going to get more views than anything we've ever done. You know what the bad part about this is now, Jeff?
We actually have to shoot each other with them?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Welcome to Shed Logic.
Welcome to
ASMR.
Do you know I actually put that? I think I put it in the description or the title. So I released the full build of the Nerf gun.
Yep.
On my other channel, Build the Future. That's where I'm just going to dump all my full builds with like no edits. So it's like a 4-hour build. And so I put it in there like, hey, you just want to like ASMR join a build with me? So it's just like hours of me gluing PVC parts and randomly saying something to the camera. And there's the channel for you. Just go check out over there. Build the future.
Well, don't we look professional?
This is why I don't tell you things before you tell me. Hey man, we're scientists.
Well, I mean,
it also feels like my hair is like a scientist. I think I may know why scientists have funky hair. You don't mind if our balls are still a little damp, do you? Ooh.
Yep.
Right. Let's actually see if we can pop one. There we go. And then let's see what that looks like.
Nice. Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's way rad.
Jeff, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to blast each other with water tracing dye? Fluorescent dye.
I think we're ready. That's about all the training that we needed right there.
That is.
That is perfect.
Let's do it. Oh. That wasn't the off button.
I'm going to put that down until we go outside.
Where did that one go? How did it get back on? Oh. Gun safety, Jeff. Gun safety.
3,
Yep.
2, 1.
I don't like it. Oh! Yeah, that one shoots much harder.
Yes.
Oh, wow, they explode.
Wow.
I hit the side some. Oh. Okay. How cool is that? All right, so let's see if these show up at all.
Okay. You can see a little bit here, these lines here where it looks like it wants to, but not nearly
Wow.
what I thought it would.
Right? Yeah, like that glows like crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, these don't glow nearly as well as I thought they would.
Huh.
I'm going to take them out and shoot them at night and see if they look like lasers firing. Yep. But it's all going to depend on if they look cool when they're shooting. So if they look like tracers and they're just like
yes
in the backyard,
yes,
then that'll be cool.
Agreed.
Right. Lillian, do you think if we soak Nerf Gel Blaster balls in fluorescent dye, they'll glow?
Yes.